Hello everyone, I am Nimish and welcome back to Nimish Creations. So today in this video we will be watching that how we can control our LED with our microcontroller, that is our Arduino board. This is a very basic level and easy task to control your LED with your Arduino. So this will be a complete tutorial video especially for them who are beginners right now. We will be also soon with our projects and creations related to this concept of controlling LED with our Arduino. So now let's begin with our today's video. But before that, to get such videos related to robotics, electronics and artificial intelligence, do subscribe to Nimish Creations.
La, la, la.